In this video, I'll be helping you with the ALEKS problem type called finding side lengths of squares given an area and a perimeter. In this example, we have two parts here, A and B, and in A, we're given the perimeter of the square and asked to find the length of each side. So we'll start by recalling that for a square, each side is the same length, so the perimeter of a square would just be adding up those lengths. So s plus s plus s plus s. The perimeter is 4s. And I'll start by just writing that formula. And in question A, we're told that the perimeter is 56 meters. So we can replace that P with 56. And then on the right-hand side, we still have our 4s. To get this s by itself, to solve for the side length, we need to undo multiplying by 4. So we will divide by 4. And dividing by 4 on the right means we must also divide by 4 on the left. This will allow me to cancel those 4s on the right-hand side to get s by itself. And then the left-hand side, we have 56 divided by 4, which works out to be exactly 14. It divides evenly. So each side of that square in question A would be 14 meters. And then for question B, we also have a square, but this time we're given the area of the square and again asked to find the length of each side. So here, our formula for the area of a square, we can recall that it's just the length times the width. Both the length and the width are s in a square. So s times s is s squared. Area of a square is equal to the length of its side squared. So we will start with that formula. And again, this time we're told that the area is 9 square centimeters. So I can replace the area on the left-hand side with 9. And we still want to solve for s to find the length of a side. But this time we have s squared on the right-hand side. So to undo that, we will need to take the square root of the right-hand side, which also means taking the square root of the left-hand side. The square root and the square cancel, giving me just the variable s on the right-hand side. And then on the left-hand side, we have the square root of 9, which is 3. So the length of each side in part B is 3 centimeters. So we use both that area formula and the perimeter formula to solve for s in both examples.